Stand up. What's that?
Gift and present gift for Mamita and Popsy. Mamita, for you. Popsy, for you. But wait, there's still more. Let's open. Ta-da!
Pwede nga. Out there. No wallet.
Now, let's see.
Sa kabila. Yan.
This side. Ta-da!
Tata, tear na din ba yan kay Popsy? Tingnan mo nga. Tear na din. Sukatin mo nga yung ano, yung bag, tsaka yung belt bag ni Popsy.
Anong bag?
Yan, sukatin mo.
Wow.
Yung belt bag.
How to even wear one?
Oo, ganyan. Pwede na ba yan? I love you ka na.
I love you and I miss you.